Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the natural gas price has moved in the last week and how the natural gas price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, we have seen after a high of around 3.4 we have seen a sharp fall, okay, and made a low of around 2.3, okay, and this is in this particular year itself, 2021 January, and from there we have seen a sharp rise making a high of around $6.5. Okay, after that a sharp fall, and from there we have seen again it made a high of around $9.6, and then again a sharp fall, and from there we have seen it made a high of around $9.965. okay, what you have to understand that whenever it goes high we have seen a sharp fall. Okay, you can see this is repeated for the third time, and if it goes above this level, now also it goes up and break this particular level, so probability is high if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can come down, and but it has to sustain above this level and made a new high, then only we can see it can form a particular swing, then it can come down. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding natural gas or any other commodities, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also I have given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if this level sustain, okay, so I'll explain you sustain if in first I'll tell you if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, because it has already made a new high. Okay, if it goes above this level, then there is a good possibility it will make a swing, then only we can see a fall. Otherwise what we can see now, if this particular level didn't sustain, we can see it can fall further down towards a level of $9.063. okay, $0.063. If that level goes further down, then we can see it can go further down and touch a level of $8.625. okay, once the price fall below that level, then there is a high probability it can go and touch a level of $8.60. okay, and if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can go further down and can touch a level of around $8.163. okay, and once the price fall below that level, then there is a higher probability that it can go further down towards a level of $7.540. okay, and if the price didn't sustain that level also, then there is a higher probability that we can see it can go further down towards a level of around $7.2. okay, and if the price fall below that level, then there is a high probability of touching $6.9, which is again I have told you that there is a probability if 6.9 didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 6.5. so you have to understand 6.9 is a support, from there we can see a bounce back. 6.5, the next support coming after 6.9 is 6.5, from there we can see a bounce back. Okay, so suppose if this particular level sustain, I again repeat, if the price fall below a level of $8.9, then we can see a level 8.6, from there we can see a level of 7.5, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see a level of $6.9. if 6.9 didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 6.5, which is a strong support, so we can see a bounce back from this level. Now understand something, if the price sustain, which is at a higher probability, and you have to understand as per monthly chart only, because the price has already been above this particular level. So we can see if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of $9.422, and if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $9.92. okay, and suppose if the price goes above that level, then there is a higher probability we can see a level of $10. okay, and this particular $10 is a weak resistance, so probability is very high, we can see it can touch a level of $10.281, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can touch a level of $10.779. okay, suppose if the price goes above that level, then there is a higher probability we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $11.361, and if the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $11.555. okay, so once the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of touching $12.5 is there, and if 12.5 sustain, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $12.833. okay, once the price goes above $8.33, then we can see it can touch a level $13.5, and if the price goes above 12.8, then I will make another video dedicated how the price of natural gas can move. Any doubt regarding natural gas, you can mail me, or any other commodities, I have given the mail ID in the description. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.